Round and round. This is how you do things in rural Wisconsin. You grow a garden, you raise chickens. Look at them all. And you butcher them and pluck them. There, the girls are busy cleaning them, butchering them. That's how you feed the local wildlife. And here, this thing is magical. That's the plucker. But first you heat them in the pot to 130 degrees. And then the feathers lap right off. Pretty cool.
Oh my God, right from me, reminds me of kids. Yeah.
And then you get them on ice. So in a matter of minutes they go from that to being on ice.
What do you feel about all this?